In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a free product on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Products section from the left sidebar. Now click the New Product button at the top right corner of the page. Next, choose the type of product you want to create, such as a digital product, ebook, or another downloadable item. After that, enter your product name and continue to the pricing section. To make the product free, set the product price to 0. This allows customers to download the product without paying anything. You can also enable the option called Allow customers to pay what they want if you want people to optionally leave tips or donations while still offering the product for free. After setting the price, click Next and continue to customize the product page. Now upload your product files, add a description, and upload a cover image or thumbnail for the product. Make sure all required fields are completed before publishing. Once everything is ready, click Save and Continue at the top right corner of the page. Finally, click Publish to make your free product live on Gumroad. Customers will now be able to access and download your product for free using your Gumroad product link. And that's how to create a free product on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.